So let's start with Spencer. You have a background in fashion, and part of your process is what you call researching and creating seasonal brand stories, including color. So how do you and the American Leather team come up with seasonal colors?
So when you put together a collection, I feel like it's much more impactful and it's a little bit easier for the customer to understand just where's the inspiration that comes from behind that. We have High Point coming up, and we are opening these brand shops, an American Leather brand shop. And so we have these different concepts. We have a Coco Chanel pink and white Art Deco room. We have this Zen Mountain Lodge that has some deep saturated aniline leathers with some beautiful dark brown leather. And then we have an evil solarium. So it's like this beautiful bird room with all these different colors, and there's wallpaper because there's this whole maximalism trend going on in the marketplace. So there'll be different colors offsetting that. So, color for us comes from what's the theme. It's not color then the theme. It's like what theme can we take color and really explore the space with that.